Today we're drawing Patrick Star from SpongeBob SquarePants. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Let's start with Patrick's eyes. First, draw one tall, rounded oval on the left, but keep the bottom a little soft and open. Then, add a second oval right beside it, slightly taller and leaning in close. Nice. Now place two small black pupils inside, looking forward, and his funny expression already begins to show. Now let's give Patrick his big, happy smile. Start on the left with a small, rounded cheek. Then pull a long, curved line across under the eyes. Bring the line down on the right and curve it back underneath to make a wide, open mouth. Add one tiny square tooth near the top, then a soft, wavy curve at the bottom for the tongue. Nice! He already looks super excited. Next, add two quick eyebrow marks above the eyes. Make them short and tilted so Patrick looks extra silly and full of energy. Now let's start shaping Patrick's head and upper body. First, from the right side of the face, draw a slanted line going down to begin the body connection. Then, from the line near the top of the eyes, draw one long curve going upward. Round it over the top of the head, then bring it all the way down on the left side. Keep the curve soft and rounded so Patrick feels squishy, funny, and full of cartoon energy. From the left side of the body line, extend a long, smooth curve out for Patrick's right arm. Round off the tip, then curve back in underneath. Keep it wide, soft, and simple. Now let's draw Patrick's left arm holding the jellyfish net. From the right side of the body, continue the line outward and upward, making a long, soft arm. Then add the lower side of the arm, curving back toward the handle area. Keep these lines loose and rounded, just like a squishy starfish arm. Next, draw the net handle crossing through the hand area. Add a short, rounded handle piece first. Then wrap Patrick's hand around it with a simple oval shape. Nice and easy. We do not need fingers here, just one clean mitten-like hand holding the stick. Now extend the handle upward and downward, following the same diagonal angle. Add a couple of small bands on the handle so it looks more like a jellyfish net from SpongeBob. Keep the handle thin, but make the ends rounded so it still feels cartoony. At the top, add a tilted oval for the net ring. Then draw a smaller oval inside it to make the rim look thick. Great. Now from the left side of that ring, pull a curved net shape backward, almost like a soft little bag. Finally, add the net details. Draw a few curved lines going across the bag, then a few lines going the other way to create the little net squares. Don't make them too tiny. Keep the spacing simple and open so the drawing stays clean and fun to follow. Now let's shape Patrick's big, round body. First, from under the raised arm holding the net, draw a long, smooth curve down for the right side of his belly. Then, from the arm stretched out on the viewer's left, continue another curve down to form the left side of the body. Keep both lines soft and rounded so Patrick looks nice and wide. Now let's draw Patrick's shorts. First, from the body line on the viewer's left, draw a long curved line across the belly toward the right side. Right underneath that, add a second curved line that follows the same shape. This gives the waistband a nice, clean stripe. Next, place a couple of tiny curved lines on Patrick's belly for a little tummy detail. Now we can build the main shape of the shorts. From the lower left side, continue down to form the left leg opening, then curve across the bottom toward the middle. After that, move to the viewer's right side and draw the other side of the shorts around the raised leg. Let that edge curve out and back in so the shorts look loose and cartoony. Finally, add the big flower shapes on the shorts. Draw them as soft, wavy blobs with rounded ends. Keep the pattern bold and simple, so it reads clearly and still feels fun. Now let's finish with Patrick's legs. First, from the shorts on the viewer's left, continue down to draw the standing leg. Round off the bottom, then bring the line back up to close the shape. After that, from the shorts on the viewer's right, draw the other leg, lifting out at an angle. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!